This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is the only one of Kryptonite's, quote, moderate security bike locks that can be picked by a novice. This is the Kryptonite Keeper 810 folding bike lock, and not only is its resistance to picking fairly low, but it appears to have a fairly low resistance to brute force as well. Underneath this bulky neoprene sleeve, there's nothing but an 8mm round bar. And I should note that Kryptonite offers a version with a 6mm bar. That's the Keeper 695. In fact, let's pull this sleeve back so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's not terribly difficult to do. All we need to do is pull this collar off, and there's usually a piece of wire wrapped around here. I've already cut that wire off. You can see underneath is just a little round bar, and if we pull it even farther back, we can see the links holding everything together. Obviously, this bar would be the weakest part of it because you would only have to cut one 8mm section. But that's not the worst part of this lock. Holding everything closed is a double-sided wafer core. So let me show you exactly what it takes to pick this open. Okay, that's locked back up. Normally I like to rake wafer locks, but that's less effective on double-sided wafer locks where the tension tool tends to get in the way. So I'm going to single pin pick this. Okay, there we go. Got some tension in there, and I'm just going to push down on those wafers. 1, click out of 2, click out of 3, nothing on 4. Let's go to the other side. 1, click out of 2, click out of 3, and we open that up. So that was pretty quick, but even so, I can't stress enough how little skill this requires. The skill required for an exploit on my channel is usually hard to convey on video. I think I tend to make things look a little bit easier than they really are, but this is one of those cases in which I think it looks harder. In any case, I think you get the general idea that this is not a lock that I would recommend. So that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.